Welcome back to Smart Architectural Programming. Today, we're diving into an exciting project, creating an image gallery with filtering and sorting features using JavaScript. This project will help you understand how to manipulate the DOM, handle user interactions, and manage dynamic data. So, let's get started. First, let's set up our project. We'll need an HTML file for the structure, a CSS file for styling, and a JavaScript file for the functionality. In our HTML, we have a title, a search input for filtering, a drop-down for sorting options, and a div to hold our gallery images. Next, let's add some styling to make our gallery look nice. We'll keep it simple for now. Here, we style the body, control panel, and gallery. Each image item is given some padding and a border to look neat. Now, let's jump into the JavaScript to bring our gallery to life. We'll start by creating an array of images with some basic data. Here's a breakdown of what we've done so far. 1. We have an array of image objects, each with a name, date, and URL. 2. We wait for the DOM content to load before running our script. 3. We define a display images function that takes an array of images and displays them in the gallery division. 4. We add event listeners to our filter input and sort dropdown to update the gallery based on user interactions. Let's test our application now. Open your project in a browser, and you should see the image gallery. Try typing in the search box to filter images and use the dropdown to sort them. As you can see, when I type sunset, only the sunset image is displayed. And when I sort by date, the images rearrange accordingly. And there you have it. A simple yet functional image gallery with filtering and sorting capabilities using JavaScript. This project demonstrates key concepts like DOM manipulation, event handling, and array operations. Try expanding this project by adding more features like pagination or advanced filtering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming tutorials.